Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today's video there's another unboxing. Okay, this is a Honor 9 and I purchased this from eBay. So it's technically, well, it's second hand. £170. I won the bid. Total £175, £5 for postage. Also came with the foldable official case. Alright then, but before I start, I just want to say thank you everyone for subscribing. I set myself two targets. The main target was, the first one was 500 subscribers by September. I'm almost there, so if you guys and girls can help me get to the line, that'd be fantastic. The second target is a stretch target, is 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you all can help, that'd be amazing. Thank you in advance. Okay, back to this. Honor 9. I was going to buy this a few months ago, but if you watch my videos and follow me, you know I purchased a Redmi Pad Pro instead. Please check that video out for the reasons why I chose that. But I had a feeling I was going to buy this one way or the other. Anyway, let's get into the, this only came to the post this morning, about 25 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago. So just got rid of the outside packaging and everything. So this will be the first time that I will see it, and let's hope the eBay description is good. They said it's in almost new condition. Let's hope it is. Yeah, so this is the first time I've seen it. Alright. Okay, then there's some. Well, before, let's see what's in the box. Usually pretty thin. That's what they're all coming with. Very light, so I assume there is no charging brick. That's the norm nowadays. You got your standard paperwork, USB-C to A charger. Yeah, it's a shame they don't give bricks no more, but you know, that's the norm. Put that away. Get back to the. Alright, let's have a look. Okay, so far you can see there is, and you can see my reflection. It looks good. Just a bit of dust, needs a bit of cleaning. It's very thin. Very thin. So this model is 8 GB RAM, 256 storage. In the introduction, you see I posted the specs, so you can go, you can pause it and just check the specs out. This side, okay, you got the volume rocker, power button. Seems like some antennas here or something like that. 2 speaker grills, USB-C, and 2 speaker grills. This one's in the UK. This is the only color, kind of graphite grey. You got the single camera. Reminds me of similar to the OnePlus. It's a nice finish. I think it's aluminium, metal rim, very thin. Yeah, so far so good. So far so good. Let's see. There's no major. Like I said, this is the first time I'm actually seeing it, same time as you all. Okay then, so whoever did this didn't peel this off, and I tried to peel it off, but it was stuck so hard I don't want to peel this off. Probably leave some sort of marks and everything, so I'm leaving it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it into the case. Case seems to be a, oh, okay, you can see it's being used, which is good. That's a good sign that whoever had this first was using the case and protecting the tablet. So I'd like to apologise for my apologies for that as well. Apologise for my, you might hear this, my chair is a bit squeaky. I keep on saying this, but I really do need to get a new chair, or maybe get some oil or something like that. All right, then there you go. Standard folding, fits quite snug. Yeah, just needs a good clean, but the good thing is it's doing its job. I'm thinking, shall I get a keyboard? It came with keyboard. So also you saw, if you haven't, please check it out. I did a Honor Magic Pad 2 unboxing, which came with a keyboard and loads of goodies. Yeah, just updating. That's becoming one of my favorite tablets. I've been using a lot. I love the tablet. The screen quality is amazing, so definitely check that out. But unfortunately, like I said in the end of that video, I still OnePlus Pad 2 was probably still edging it because of the keyboard. I just wish whoever makes these tablet keyboards and a trackpad. Trust me, once you use a full-size trackpad, it's hard to go back. Especially how Android tablets are becoming so much better now. I remember there was a time a few years ago when Android tablets was nowhere to be seen. but they're making a big comeback. And you know, as iOS, Android, Windows, all that stuff is getting really close to PCs, you can just do a lot of work on your tablet. Yeah, no. All right, back to this. Yeah, stands well, looks good, excellent. Yeah, this is your standard foldable one. Does its job. Like I said, I might get a keyboard depending on the price. And I noticed I tried to even buy the keyboard on his website, but it only comes as a bundle. Well, apologies for that. My sister next door was sneezing. She's pretty loud. Anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this up and set this up, do a quick overview. I won't do much in depth because this has been around for a few months and there's plenty of good reviews online, so check that out. Anyway, I'll be back. I'll see you guys and girls later. Welcome back to a little overview. But before that, hey, let's look at what's in the package, shall we? This is from eBay as well. So yeah, I assume that everyone's get those vouchers where you get 15% off or maximum £75 off. So I got one of these. So what's in the package today? Cool. Here you go. Pretty tough to open. Final Fantasy VII Remake Integrated is there. I've already got this on PlayStation 4, just the base game. I just wanted to get this on the full version just to complete with my Rebirth, Final Fantasy VII Rebirth, when you stand it like this on the PlayStation 5. And I also wanted to get the DLC integrated, which I never got time to download it for PS4 yet. So this was on with using a voucher. I ended up getting it for about £21 or something like that, brand new and sealed. Yeah, cool. All right then, that's what's in the package for today. Back to this quick setup. This is it. So this is a 12.1 screen is a 16:10 aspect ratio. Let's go into the settings. Whoops. And see. Here you guys, you can see. What's that? Screen display. Oh. This is your usual setting as we're all familiar with Honor and any Android ready, to be fair. Let's go into screen brightness is already in. As you can see, the brightness, I put it on, what's that, 45%. I gotta give credit to Honor, they do have pretty good brightness on there as well. Because unlike some other devices when I put it around 65%, this one's like 45% again, just like the previous one. You've got all the usual stuff, eye comfort, ebook reading, and I set everything else default. Okay, let's go about this tablet. Just go zoom in a bit closer. You got, so it's on the Pad 9 of course, and the OS is 8.0 running on Android 14. Here is 8 GB of RAM and 256 storage. Here it is. So that's all your basics. Also you've got, I'm running on 120 Hz display at the moment. You can put it on dynamic settings if you want to. I'll probably screen resolution as highest. So yeah, you see, you've got dynamic, which kind of refreshes back and forth. You've got standard 60 and 120 Hz. It's a shame they don't have a 90. 90 be pretty good in between, but I just put it on high refresh rate. This apparently has really good battery life. I can't actually remember what the I think it's about 10,000 milliamp, but it's on the intro scene where you see the specs. Alright then. Okay, then let's check out the sound quality with the 4 speakers. Okay, I'm going my favorite video, Tokyo Cats and Dog Lovers. There you go. I know that I don't get copyright, that's why. And let's put the volume up. Oh, it's gone down, sorry. Let's go up. that was pretty loud. I've got to say, I think it sounded louder than my. I think it actually sounded louder than the Magic Pad on the Magic Pad 2. But it did sounded a bit streaky. Is that right? It kind of like tingy when you get to the top, where for example, the OnePlus Pad Pro and the Honor Magic Pad had more bass and more kind of solid sound. Does that make sense? So as loud as it is, it kind of screeches. You can hear the screech, but on the Pad and the OnePlus, I think on the Pad so far is my favorite one. It has the best sound, it has a lot of depth, a lot of bass, and solid. So yeah, that's about wraps up some just quick overview. Like I said, this has been out for a few months now, and please check my video on the Redmi Pad Pro. That's the reason why I got that instead of this at first. But I still ended up getting this. It was cheap on. To be fair, when I saw it, I just quickly bid on it. I didn't think I was going to get it. You just bid on, hey, why not? It's £170. You can still buy this on Honor. Pretty good. I think it's £230 or something like that. You get the keyboard, not keyboard, the case with the keyboard. I think it's $279.99. So yeah, still got a pretty good bargain, good tablet, and anyway. Yeah, please like the video, subscribe if you want to, appreciate it, thank you very much. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world, and please do stay safe. Until next time, goodbye.